Like guys, I really need to quick let you guys know, if this is my first time taking this, it tastes heaven. Most especially the ginger is giving it, oh my goodness. Guys, this really tastes refreshing. So guys, I have apple here, I have red grape here, and also I have one banana. This is my breakfast, guys. Also I have ginger as well here. Bit of water, just so yeah guys, it is time to taste. Wow, this is a refreshing breakfast, to be honest. I just joined everything together. These are the fruits that are available: banana, red grapes, and apple. Guys, give it a try. This is my breakfast. I'm trying to change my life. Let you guys know, but this is my first time taking this. It tastes heaven. Most especially the ginger is giving it, oh my goodness. Guys, this really tastes refreshing. This is my breakfast. What says the time now? This is 11:22. Guys, I'm really and deeply wanting to change my lifestyle. Sorry for the way I look. I'm at work. Wow, guys, wow. So thank you so much for watching. Just taking a step forward to changing my lifestyle, changing the way I eat. So yeah, and I want this channel to be when I will come back to watch and see where I started from. I've been doing this since I was a teenager, but I just want to change the story. I want to live that life I want, you know. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, or if you want us to do this together, please subscribe to my channel and let's motivate each other together. I have a video coming up on, it's going to be on Ramadan, like how I'll be eating in Ramadan and all that stuff. And also I'll be sharing the natural home remedy to like ginger and cloves, the way I mix them up together and make them as drinks. Those are also good as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.